Stop losing money. It's that simple. You're watching this because your account is bleeding capital and you're tired of get rich quick fluff that's costing you money every single time you hit the buy or sell button. You think you're trading gold, but the reality is the market is trading you. You're the liquidity. You're the one providing the exit for professional traders who actually know how to read a chart. If you're looking for a magic button, leave now. This is for the professionals who want an unfair advantage. This is about XAUUSD professional trading. And I'm about to show you why your current strategy is nothing more than a slow motion account blowout. Look at this chart. This is gold XAUUSD on the 15-minute time frame. Most of you see a breakout and you jump in like amateurs. You see a green candle and your FOMO kicks in. Then the market manipulation starts. The price spikes, hits a level, and then collapses, haunting your stop loss and leaving you with a blown account. Why? Because you're trading in the dark. We're using a system here to protect capital during these exact events. This is about risk management for traders who treat this like a business, not a casino. Let's get into the tool and pay attention. Because if you mess up the settings, you're choosing to lose capital. The first indicator we're using is the breakout line by Marco. This isn't your standard retail support and resistance line. This indicator finds legitimate break levels based on higher time frame data. It prints a line on your chart based on the close of a higher time frame candle. Here's the first mistake that's costing you money. You're looking at the 15-minute chart and using 15-minute levels. That's amateur hour. We're going to set this breakout indicator to a time frame 2 or 3 times higher than our trading chart. Since we're using the gold 15-minute, we set the indicator to 4-hour time frame. Set the colors to white so it's clear and easy to see. Why 4 hour? Because the 4-hour candle close represents real institutional intent. When you see a 15-minute candle dancing around, it's noise. When you see a 4-hour level, that's battlefield. Amateur traders see the price break this white line and they instantly enter a trade. That's a stop loss hunting. They have no clue about the trend direction, no clue about market momentum, and zero bias. They're just guessing, and guessing is why you're bleeding capital. To spot the bleeding, we need a solution for the trend and momentum problem. We're gonna use a second tool, the MACD Reloaded indicator. But don't even think about using the default settings. The default settings are designed for people who enjoy the account blowouts. They're too fast, too noisy, and they'll give you a signal every time the event blows. We're moving the short moving average to 100. And the long moving average to 200. We're gonna set the colors to green, red, and white. We're doing this because it filters out the fake moves that are currently costing you money. We're looking for a macro trend, not micro oscillation that triggers your anxiety. A professional looks at the MACD histogram and sees the heartbeat of the market. When the histogram is above the zero level, we're in a confirmed uptrend. When it's below, it's a downtrend. It's not just about green means buy. It's about understanding that when the histogram is below zero, the bearish momentum is dominant. Trying to buy in a downtrend is fighting the market, and market has more money than you. You don't fight the trend, you ride it. Now listen closely. This entry rule only works if you avoid the no trade zone I'm showing you later. And if you ignore that, you're choosing to lose capital. This is the thing that separates the professionals from gamblers. Let's look at a sell setup on gold. Step 1. The trend. The MACD reloaded histogram is below the zero level. That tells us the environment is bearish. We only look for sell trades. Buying here is financial suicide. Step 2. We wait for the price action to break the 4-hour breakout line to downside. But wait, this is where most of you fail. Every breakout does not mean a sell trade. If you just sell the moment the line breaks, you'll lose your trading capital to a simple retest. We need the secret sauce of risk mitigation. This is the price action method I promised. Once the price breaks that 4-hour line, you mark the most recent swing low. We need to see if the market actually has enough bearish momentum to push through that level. If the price can't break that recent swing low, the breakout is fake out. It's market manipulation designed to trap retail shorts. We only enter when the price breaks that support level, that recent swing low. That candle that breaks the swing low after the breakout, that's your sell trigger. Your stop loss goes at the recent swing high and your take profit is 1.5x or 2x your risk. An amateur looks for a signal. A professional looks for a way to manage risk. By waiting for that swing low break, you're confirming the momentum. You're not guessing, you're following the money. Let's flip it for a buy trade, but pay attention because the logic is the same. First, check the MACD. Histogram must be above zero level. You're on an uptrend. We wait for the price to break above that 4-hour white breakout line. Don't jump in yet. Find the most recent swing high. Has the price cleared it? If it hasn't, you stay out. That's the no trade zone. Entering before that high is cleared is how you get caught in a range and watch your account bleed out from commissions and small stops. Once the swing high is broken with a strong candle, you've got your trigger. A stop loss at the swing low, target 2 to 1. This call scalping strategy isn't about being right every time. It's about capital protection. It's about only take the trades where the higher time frame, the momentum, and the price action are all screaming the same thing. The no trade zone is any area where the MACD is flat or the price is oscillating between the breakout line and the recent swing level. If you're trading inside that gap, you're choosing to lose capital. You're trading in a vacuum of intent. Professionals wait for the breakout and the confirmation. Amateurs trade the noise because they're bored. If you're still using default settings on your indicators, you're telling the market you're ready to be liquidated. We use 100 and 200 MACD because it forces you to be patient. It forces you to wait for the real shifts in the market structure. Default settings are for people who want to feel busy. Professional settings are for people who want to be profitable. Remember, this works on gold 15 minutes, but the logic applies to crypto, stocks, indices, anything, whether you are scalping or day trading. The rules of market manipulation don't change. The institutions needs your liquidity to fill their orders. They will create a fake breakout of a level to get you to jump in, and then they'll reverse it. This system, the higher time frame line combined with the momentum filter and the swing level confirmation is your shield. And stop looking for get rich quick fluff, and that's the whole strategy. Happy trading.